Welcome back. Welcome to this breakdown where we are dissecting the four major tool categories that are changing the game. All right, so let's go from the most basic to the most autonomous. Level up with me. First one is code completion assistance. This is the tool that lives right there with you, a literal pair programmer. It's super reactive as you are typing, say, def calculate, and before you finish, it suggests the whole line. It pulls the suggestion from a massive brain trained on billions of lines of code. It anticipates your next thought and types it for you. This tool is all about raw speed and reducing boilerplate. So it's fantastic for everyday coding, or writing quick unit tests, or filling out repetitive loops. It keeps you in a flow state. There are some classics here like GitHub Copilot is the king, and Tab9 is another rock solid choice known for its focus on privacy. Next category is conversational coding agents. This is the next evolution. This agent has memory, context, and a mission. You know how it works. Instead of reacting to a single keystroke, this tool takes a full goal, a complex multi-step task, and helps you achieve it inside your editor. You prompt it like refactor the user auth class to use asynchronous methods. The agent plans the changes, searches the file, proposes the code, and applies the entire transformation. It lets you chat directly with your code's context to make large, complex edits. This is your go-to for complex debugging, refactoring, general full stack development, writing boilerplate. It helps you, think strategically about large chunks of code. There are examples like Cursor ID, which is entirely built around this conversational experience, turning the editor into a chat interface. There are tools like RuCode, which bring this powerful goal-oriented agent functionality right into the extensions for VS Code and other environments. There are tools like Klein. So there are many tools now in this category. Next one is agentic orchestrator. Okay, this next category is the true future. This is the tool that can literally take an issue and solve it on its own. How it works, you give this tool a high level objective like fix bug 405. The checkout button isn't working on mobile. What this orchestrator is designed to do is it will autonomously execute a multi-step workflow to fix that issue. It uses different external tools, the terminal, the browser, the file system, the test runner to diagnose the problem. Then it writes the fix, tests the fix, and create a pull request itself. It uses planning, reflection, and self-correction to work until the goal is met. So this is for complex automation, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and solving big system problems without you babysitting it. So this is what everyone means when they talk about truly autonomous software engineer. OpenDevin is the open source flag bearer here, trying to build autonomous engineer framework, and platforms like Amazon Bedrock Agents are bringing this power to enterprise environments. Now the fourth category is low code, no code prompt builders. Finally, we have the category that opens door to everyone who has an idea. How it works, you don't write code, you describe the app visually. You prompt it like build a customer feedback dashboard with a map view and a filterable table of entries. The tool instantly generates the user interface, the backend logic, the database schema, and it's like turning a napkin sketch into a functional web app in minutes. Absolutely perfect for non developers, product managers, entrepreneurs who need a fast MVP or internal tool, skipping the entire coding process. There are tools like Lovable, Build AI. These are leading the charge in generative UI, letting you talk your app into existence. Now let's talk about where are we heading. If you noticed a theme running through categories second, third, and fourth, it's this: the future is agentic. We're moving away from tools just finishing our sentences, which are like level one, and moving toward the tools taking ownership of goals like categories second, third, fourth. This shift means the repetitive 70% of your day is handled by smart agents. You become the lead director or the architect or the person who sets the vision and solves the truly novel and high value problems. Your impact goes up by a factor of 10. Now, let's let's wrap this up with most important key takeaways. There is the first category, which is code completion, which gives you speed. Next one is conversational agents, which gives you speed, plus they takes care of all the planning and then achieving the goal. We use these for refactoring and in ID and multi-step tasks. Third one is agentic orchestrator for automation and solving complex end-to-end problems. Fourth category, prompt builders for non-developers and rapid prototyping. Examples like Lovable, Build AI. So the next era of coding is about knowing how to direct these tools, not just how to type. You now have the map to this landscape. So this was it for this video. See you in the next one.